Good after morning. It is the 2nd of February, also known as Groundhog Day. I'm out here in Arizona. We're having a little bit of a windstorm right now. Can you hear that? Blowing pretty good. 30-mile-an-hour gusts. It's shaking the van a little bit, my box van. Anyway, today is Groundhog Day. Traditionally, this is the day that Punxsutawney Phil, the groundhog in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, predicts how long winter's going to last. And this morning, about 7:35 a.m., he did see his shadow, and that means there's going to be 6 more weeks of winter. So we got a little bit of winter left here, guys, before we start getting some nice weather. But the good news is, between now and July, I heard there's going to be a gradual warming trend. So there's faith, there's hope. We have hope, man. So I was just going to show you a little bit about this wind. This is crazy. They're having a snowstorm back in Michigan. I just talked to my sister Shelly. Hello, sister. And they're getting the beginning of a little bit of a snowstorm. So I was going to show you what's going on out here. Oh boy. I'll just step right out. First I'll say, don't go towards the light. Looked like I was dying. Look at my flag there. Looks like I'm at the goddamn North Pole. Or what's in there? Yeah, North Pole. My table got blown down over here. Whoa, my hat just blew off. I'm gonna walk down in the wash here a second so you can see. Sorry for the wind noise. You can see my table almost got blown off the dang little into the wash here. That hummingbird feeder up there is working out pretty good. It's hardly moving, so the box van's protecting it in the direction I have the van parked. If it was parked a different way, it'd probably blow around, but it's holding pretty steady. I've had a few hummingbirds even with all this wind. But down here, this is where you have serious situations, and I say you need to pre-dig the hole. I've used a couple spots here. I've been here about a week, and I don't know, you can't even really tell where I was. You know, I try to dig a fairly good sized hole. You can see that down in there. It's pretty deep. Use it a couple, 3 times. Put a little dirt on it each time. Make sure there's about 6 inches for the top, and then I fill it good. Some people say it's probably not a good idea to do it in the wash. That's the easiest place to dig, unfortunately. But I bury it pretty good, so I don't think it'll get washed out too easily. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. But yeah, being the 2nd of February, it's pretty nice, other than the wind. And you can kind of tell, like over there, how dusty it is over towards the hills. And I've been told over on the other side of these hills here, that's where Quartzsite, Arizona is. Quartzsite is having a major dust storm right now. But on this side, it's a little more rocky and don't have quite as bad a dust problem at the moment. You can tell over there it's pretty dusty. Yeah, so anyway, groundhogs are also known as woodchucks, and my uncle used to call them whistle pigs, and they're kind of a cousin to the marmot that's out here out in the west. A lot of people don't know what a woodchuck is or a groundhog. like a marmot. If anybody knows what a marmot is. Oh boy, Benny got blown over. I think I'm gonna pick him up and put him on a tire. He's out of water. Boy, what kind of pedaling am I? Hey Benny, poor thing. I'll put him here by the tire. And that way, it should be a little more protected. We'll see how this all goes. It seems like I'm zoomed in. I need a thumbtack. Need a thumbtack for my hat right there. Alright, well, happy Groundhog Day. Here comes a hummingbird right over there. Let's see if he's over there on that tree branch. I don't know if you can see him right there. I'm going to turn sideways and just stand here by see if he comes to the feeder. Just hold real still. Sometimes just standing here, they'll come as long as you're not moving. Nope, he ain't gonna do it. He's still sitting there though. I don't know, can you see him on that branch right there? He's on the dead branch of that Palo Verde tree. Right on the edge of the wash here. Cute little bugger. Alright. Oh my goodness. This is terrible videoing. Look at my hair. Wind is something. I don't know what else to say other than 6 more weeks of winter, guys. I think we can do it. I have hope that it won't be long, and I'll be back there in Michigan and doing some projects on the compound. And just trying to keep busy. All right, take care.